today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and as a search pull tab the X Icon Changer, and now we have to get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the application, and here tap to continue to app, and here as can you see we got all our available applications, and for example we can just change the icon from one from these apps. For example, we can go with the contacts. Here we can rename, but I don't want to do that. Here you can see the folders with the new icons, and also you can switch the icon with the gallery photo, or you can take a picture right now. For example, I'll go with the library one, and now for example we'll go with this one because that's contacts. So just tap to OK now on the right upper corner. Now just skip the ads, and here tap to add to your home screen. Now we can change the next icon by the same way, and here as can you see we got here our new contact icon with the new shape. There is our old icon, and as can you see that's really simple. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.